Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. In As You Like It, which character delivers the famous, "All the World's a Stage" monologue? A. Orlando. B. Duke Sr. C. Jacques. D. Touchstone. Right answer is option C, Jacques. First question. The term metalepsis, in narratology, refers to A. Repetition of narrative time. B. The blending of narrative levels. C. Omission of key plot points. D. Narrator's intervention in plot. Right answer is option B, the blending of narrative levels. Next question. The term metalepsis, in narratology, refers to A. Repetition of narrative time. B. The blending of narrative levels. C. Omission of key plot points. D. Narrator's intervention in plot. Right answer is option B, the blending of narrative levels. Next question. In which novel does the character say to kill her own daughter to save her from slavery? A. Go Tell It on the Mountain. B. Their Eyes Were Watching God. C. Beloved. D. The Bluest Eye. Right answer is option C, Beloved, Tarankan. Next question. Who among the following is known for the theory of strategic essentialism in postcolonial discourse? A. Edward Said. B. Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. C. Homi K. Bhabha. D. Stuart Hall. Right answer is option B, Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. Next question. The Duchess of Malfi was written by A. Christopher Marlowe. B. Thomas Kidd. C. John Webster. D. Ben Jonson. Right answer is option C, John Webster. Next question. Which of the following works does not belong to the angry young men movement in British literature? A. Lucky Jim. B. The Loneliness of the Long Distance Runner. C. Waiting for Godot. D. Look Back in Anger. Right answer is option C, Waiting for Godot. Next question. In Paradise Lost, the phrase, "darkness visible," is an example of A. Hyperbole. B. Allegory. C. Oxymoron. D. Metonymy. Right answer is option C, oxymoron. Next question. The novel To the Lighthouse primarily explores which philosophical idea? A. Empiricism. B. Determinism. C. Ephemerality of time and identity. D. Cartesian dualism. Right answer is option C, ephemerality of time and identity. Next question. Which of the following literary critics is associated with the term heteroglossia? A. Gerard Genette. B. Zvetan Todorov. C. Mikhail Bakhtin. D. Northrop Frye. Right answer is option C, Mikhail Bakhtin. Next question. The poem Lines Compose a Few Miles Above Tintern Abbey was written during which literary period? A. Neoclassical. B. Romantic. C. Victorian. D. Modernist. Right answer is option B, Romantic. Next question. The Harlem Renaissance was primarily A. Literary movement of 1970 black feminism. B. Jazz-inspired post-Dvitiya Vishwayuddha art movement. C. Cultural revival of African American arts in the 1920s. D. Civil rights movement literature wave of the 1960s. Right answer is option C, cultural revival of African American arts in the 1920s. Next question. Which of the following novels is not written by Jeanette Winterson? A. Oranges Are Not the Only Fruit. B. Sexing the Cherry. C. Written on the Body. D. Possession. Right answer is option D, Possession. Next question. In Dryden's An Essay of Dramatic Poesy, the character Neander speaks in favor of A. Classical unities and French drama. B. Shakespeare and English drama. C. Italian opera. D. Roman comedy. Right answer is option B, Shakespeare and English drama. Question for you. Read carefully and submit the right answer below in the comment box. The poem The Shield of Achilles by W. H. Auden contrasts classical heroism with A. Medieval mysticism. B. Modern bureaucratic violence. C. Romantic nationalism. D. World War I trench warfare. Thanks for watching till end. Do like and share the video with your friends.